Looking for heavy-duty quality, performance, and reliability? Set a new standard in every category with NorthStar. Take our heavy-duty cold water pressure washer. Make light work out of your most common cleaning tasks, including washing homes, industrial equipment, and lawn and garden equipment. Built with premium components like industrial triplex crankshaft plunger pumps and flat-free tires. Backed by the best warranties in the industry. Engineered and assembled in the USA using globally sourced materials. And proven through thousands of hours of testing. NorthStar heavy-duty cold water pressure washers have it all, so you can do it all. See for yourself why NorthStar cold water pressure washers are what you need for performance and power at your house. Only at Northern Tool.